Our 2022 aircraft, named Bartholomew, is a Skyhunter Sonic model airframe built and customized by our team. The Skyhunter is a twin-boom foam-based aircraft and features tapered wings with a boom tail. A Sony camera is securely attached within the fuselage, along with the electronics bay, batteries, and all our devices necessary for flight. Additionally, a Raspberry Pi Model 4B controls our camera. The camera is paired with a Pixhawk Cube and a Raspberry Pi to automatically geotag in flight, and then later allows members to manually identify objects in photos, record characteristics, merge repeated sightings, and forward target data and thumbnails to the judges through the interop server. We've also customized an Arduplane fixed-wing autopilot as well as a custom MAV proxy ground station, which allows us to change parameters and mission waypoints as well as to connect to interop. Finally, for both our autonomous flight and obstacle avoidance algorithms, our teams use a variety of algorithms to optimize classification, proximity, and maneuverability.